Hi everyone from KAFAS Group. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today actually we are going to open up this DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and it's a new device. We had wonderful reviews of this from the YouTube. So we thought why not to buy it for the vlogs. So let's see guys, we will unbox it for you and see what we get from this box. Okay guys, we have finally unboxed it. I think we don't really need these things. These are the manuals. And let's open this. It's very light. Let's see what's in this box. Okay, I think this is the one which holds the camera. See, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. We have only this in this box, and now let's open this. It's also beautiful packing. First, guys, let me show you this beautiful box. Actually, it's very handy. And I think it's waterproof. Okay. So here we have the main thing, the camera. It's beautiful. It's very light. You can see that it's beautiful, and it easily fits in this box. You can see this. It's nice. So let's see what other things we have in this box. Yeah. So guys, this is the one. It's a mic. It's beautiful. It's small, and you have the clip on the back side, so you can put it in your shirt. So this is also a beautiful thing. Yeah, I think this is the battery. Yeah. So guys, this is a battery. You can see if you need some extra life to the camera, you need this thing. Also, we have this. What is this? Yeah, it's nice. It's actually a stand for the camera. It's very beautiful and very small. Yeah, I think it. Yes, this is the thing which you can easily. Yeah. So this way you can put this in, and lately you can put the device on this battery, so it will become like a full. Okay, let's see what else we have in this box. Yeah, what is this small thing? Yeah guys, this is an extension. So I mean, sometimes if your hands are big like me, so it is difficult to hold the camera sometimes, so you need this thing to yeah, yes. So you got to see that it is clipped properly, so you can have this in your hand like this, and start filming or whatever you want to do with this camera. So this looks nice. Okay, let's see what else we have in the box. Yes guys, this is a small device for the mic, I think. Yeah, this is the mic, and some handles to hold this. So you got to put this on this mic like this, and it will become a beautiful mic for you guys. One more thing we have in this is the charging cable. and that's all. So it's a complete combo pack. So we have unpacked it, and now we can start using this device. So I'm going to show you that this all things comes together if you buy the combo pack, of course, all these.